I welcome you to part 3 of the training, and this time we are looking at how you can upload and deliver your PLR products. And to do this, we are going to be checking out and seeing the first how to set up WordPress websites, because you are going to need it to deliver your product for those that will be using websites. Then how you set up, and just take a look at how setting up the download and thank you pages, since these are the key pages used for delivering your PLR products. Then we'll be checking out how to set up your membership platform. And don't be scared, don't worry, we are not looking at the paid ones. We are going to see a free resource, full-blown free membership plugin that you can just deploy and set up your membership website and hook it up to your payment processor here in Nigeria, talking about Paystack or Flutterwave ASAP. Then we are going to be checking out the funnel builder for PLR, and you see how you can set up a funnel for your PLR products in a snap. Then we'll also see how you can convert the HTML pages, and that's the PLR product, that's converting HTML pages to WordPress. The PLR product you came with, that you bought, comes with some pages that you need to deploy to your server through cPanel or using FTP, and many persons are not techy enough to do this. So there is a solution, and this came with as a bonus to the product you bought, the PLR to WP. So you see how you can use it to convert those HTML pages to WordPress plugin and just upload to your WordPress, and boom, you have a plugin and you can edit and do whatever with it that you normally do with a plugin. So that's it. Then you see how you can upload and deliver your PLR without a website for those that don't have the funds to get a website for now. Then you also see how you can lock up your PLR download pages. So that's what the part 3 of this training will be taking care of. And then for the very first part, that's setting up of the WordPress website, and this will entail buying a good domain name. That's buying a domain name from a registrar. You need a domain name, a solid hosting. Then I install WordPress, then install the page builder. We're talking about there are so many page builder, anyone will work, but we're taking a look at Elementor, be using Elementor, and then also Thrive Architect. Then be installing the needed plugins generally. So this don't be worried, don't be scared, even if you have never bought a domain name or set up and installed WordPress before. This is going to be really easy peasy, it's going to be breezy. And I'm not going to be, I have a tutorial already on that for my affiliate student, for my affiliate class, how you can set up a WordPress website, everything relating to what I just told you now. So I'm going to be uploading it to this platform, no need going into that again. So having said that, we'll come to the end of this training. Now when we come back, I'm going to take a look at this. Then we are going to be really diving into how you set up a membership website, see how to install the membership plugin, set up the membership pages ASAP, and set up the payment processor. We are going to be using Paystack. So thank you and God bless, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.